How do you make money with your drone? It's easier than you may think. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to make money with your drone. Partner with businesses. Look for businesses that lack quality photos and video. Do a quick Google search, check out their website, and you will know which businesses to pursue. Some examples of businesses to pursue when you're brand new would be small hotels, definitely not the name brand ones, avoid those at first. Then you also have camping grounds, water parks, golf courses, driving ranges, small family theme parks, and wedding photographers. Point number 2, sell your pictures and video online. There's several stock image photography websites that are really good to use. Dronestock.com, Shutterstock.com, im.com, and Storyblocks.com. I'll include all the links to these websites below the description. Point number 3, small real estate brokers and individual Airbnb owners. Check out their accounts and see what their images look like. Are they poor quality? Are there no aerial photos at all? Are they not showing photos of the city? Those are the accounts to pursue. I have a quick tip for you. Invest in your community. Start local when building your portfolio. Go around your city taking pictures and video of landmarks, tourist areas, attractions, if any, as well as parts of the city that are popular for dining, shopping, and recreation. Use your portfolio to cater to small business owners at first. Offer your services for lower than your competition or even for free if you are able to. Bonus quick tip for you. Create a digital portfolio on Instagram. When you post your pictures and your videos, make sure to tag the city as well as the business, and don't forget to use hashtags to promote your work as well. These are all great ideas, but I recommend writing out a business plan. There's a saying out there, prior planning prevents poor performance, and it is true. Just a quick reminder, if you live in the US and you want to make money from flying your drone, you're going to need to get your Part 107 license. If you're looking for a Part 107 prep course, I recommend dronepilotgroundschool.com. I'll put the link in the description below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have questions or ideas on future videos, leave them in the comments below. If you want to stick around, I invite you to check out these playlists where I talk more in depth about drones.